Hello everyone and welcome to our special coverage of the grand finale of Miss Meghalaya and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. I'm Aaron Lingdo. Now the winner of Miss Meghalaya 2024 will be crowned Miss Universe Meghalaya and will get a direct entry to Miss Universe India. The first and second runners-up will represent the state in Miss Northeast 2024 that will be held in Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, on the other hand, the winner of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024 will also get a direct entry to Miss Teen Diva 2025. This will be held in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Well, we're here at the Lariti Multi-Purpose Hall to bring you all the action from ground zero. We will speak to the organizers, we will speak to the contestants, the winners, fashionistas and the who's who of the fashion industry. And our time starts now.
In a dazzling display of grace and glamour, Shillong witnessed the crowning of the prestigious Miss Meghalaya and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024 at a grand event held on August the 3rd at the Lariti Auditorium in Maukasyang. The grand finale witnessed the participation of 22 contestants from across the state in the Miss Meghalaya category and 19 contestants in the teen category. The event featured multiple rounds, including the introduction round, floral round, the evening round, and the question and answer round. The evening also saw a performance by the very skilled musician and artist Dappist. Here's an exclusive report.
Rochelle, I learned that the girls were part of some workshops, etc., and the grooming sessions for the past 2 to 3 weeks, I would imagine, right? Walk us through the grooming session and why do you think it's important for the girls to go through that prep work?
I think a session like this is really important because this is where we get a chance to groom them, train them, build their confidence. Because as you know, most of the time, it's the first time for these girls. And apart from being excited to be a part of this pageant, they also have a lot of fears which they need to conquer. So helping them fight those fears, having their self-belief, and most importantly, communication skills. Now for pageantry, it's very important for a girl to be able to express herself correctly. And the most crucial part is the question and answer round. So that's where I play a key role in helping them formulate their sentences, come up with topics, give them topics where they need to work on and prepare on an overall background basically. Because again, it's not only about looks that we're looking for somebody with beauty and brains.
The winners were selected by the panel featuring Divija Gambhir, State Director, Miss Universe Rajasthan, Miss India Multinational 2021, Arshina Sumbul, Miss Grand International India 2023, Amjad Khan, Director of Operations and Marketing, Miss Universe India, and Mele Pucho, the State Director, Miss Universe Nagaland.
All right, at the moment what we have are 4 judges who will be deciding the fate of the girls this evening.
Hi, my name is Amjad Khan. I am the Operation and Marketing Head for Miss Universe India team. And today we are here to judge Miss Universe Meghalaya. And this will be the road towards Miss Universe India. Whoever we select today will get a chance to represent Meghalaya at Miss Universe India. Miss Universe India, which has previously won by Shushmita Sen, Lara Datta and Harnas Sandhu.
Hi everyone, my name is Arshina Sumbul and I'm the current Miss Grand India. I am basically from Jaipur and I've come to Shillong for the second time to judge Miss Universe Shillong, and I am Meghalaya actually and I'm looking forward to it because I can see the competition is very, very tough. I can see so many beautiful girls around here and I cannot just wait to witness the beauty that is going to come on the stage. So we are proud and it's our pleasure to be here.
Namaste, I am Divija Gambhir. I am Miss Multinational India and I am also an actor and a model. I come from Bombay and this is also again my second time here in Shillong, and I have been behind Mr. Amjad Khan sir to get me here because the very first time I came here, I loved the hospitality, I loved the people, I loved the city altogether, the state. It's too beautiful and therefore I just wanted to come back here and be here and probably just see the beauty again.
Well, you said you're from Bombay. Are the stakes high? What are you looking forward from the girls this evening?
I feel the girls and the city both are equally beautiful, and here we are to see who delivers the best and is themselves. Because here, when we are here, we see that how confidently they are in their own skin and how well they are able to communicate that with us and their everything basically. So I think that's the entire idea about who will be able to give themselves the stage to and feel like they're the diva.
Right. Well, last but not least, sir. Well, I like your suit first of all.
Thank you so much.
Right. Let's hear it from you. Why don't you give us a little bit of an introduction?
Sure. Hello, my name is Mele Pucho. I am from Nagaland. I am the president of the Northeast Beauty Pageant organization and also Miss Nagaland organization. And I'm also the state director of Miss Universe Nagaland. Yeah, I've been coming, to Nagaland to Meghalaya for some time, 3-4 times. But this is my first time attending the Miss Meghalaya event. So I'm very excited for it and looking forward for the show, yeah.
All right, girls, in a few minutes from now, you will be hitting the big stage. Let me start with you. How are you feeling?
Super excited and mostly nervous, but I feel like we shouldn't show our nervousness on stage because people will notice that, but we should just enjoy ourselves, enjoy the moment. This comes only once in a lifetime.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment is now when you're going to meet our Miss Meghalaya contestants on the stage.
Did you say you're on your way? Why now? When you just went MIA. Message received, oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Trying to come to my place, turn around, it's too far away, too far gone. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? Cause I'm up now. So let's wait till the day you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or would you still want me if I didn't have it all? You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me, when is it gonna get through to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be your boo. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? Cause I'm up now. So let's wait till the day you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love but I can't be your boo. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me. Come to my place, turn around, it's too far away, too far gone. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or would you still want me if I didn't have it all? You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me, when is it gonna get through to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be your boo. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me. On your way. Why now? When you just went MIA. Message received. Oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Trying to come to my place, turn around. It's too far away, too far gone. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth just don't want me if I didn't have it all. You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me, when is it gonna get through to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be your boo. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how we could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or dare, is it true you care? Now that you can see the love from everyone. Tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me, now you care. Truth or dare, are you playing? Truth or dare, tell me. You just went MIA. Message received, oh, now you want me back. I know the procedure. Trying to come to my place, turn around, it's too far away, too far gone. Can't handle what I am now. You a fan now, and I'm not what I was. So tell me, are you down now? 'Cause I'm up now. So let's make truth or dare you to forget that you used to treat me just like anyone. Truth or
Well, joining us right now on this special broadcast is the reigning Miss Meghalaya, but just for a few moments from now. Well, Stella, thank you so much for speaking with us. What has changed in your life? What has changed, let's say, in terms of how you look at things, your perspective, since the last time you were crowned? That means 2023.
Okay. For me personally, I feel like nothing much has changed because I feel like internally I'm still the person that I was before I won. But the only thing that changed is I would say my entire self, because I feel like I've grown, I've evolved. I have really, I feel that transformation in me very deep, and I'm really grateful to this entire journey that it has really molded me and changed me and made me a better person.
Right, like I was speaking to Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Miss Jackson. She was telling me that, she felt the pressure when she was competing last year. You know the pressure that the girls are going through at the moment. What's that last minute advice that you have for them?
I have been telling the girls that you should always flow in gratitude because you have done enough preparations, you have given your best, you have done whatever you could to the best of your ability. Now is your moment, so you just have to be grateful and just flow in gratitude. You walk, you talk in gratitude because above all, it's always God.
So what are we waiting for? We're now waiting for this first round, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024.
So balai hagik person there will be sim ki do ki rai bun jan da sur thiang ki rai klem thai yai beru ki ler baba ha param lu sin rai tlan kik sha ki paham kik sha ki wa ki tway ba ju sum ki puri play jis lo jing la loi baro sawayam ki toy baro sawayam ki toy baro sawayam ki toy peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kiro Isko jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai kem tag Yai beru kilir babam O boliu mas ngam na kilum syaki paham Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Jis go jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai kem tag La loy baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai kem tag Mas ngam na kilum syaki paham Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Jis go jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Jis go jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Hakik peso balai Hakik pesanti will be Sim kido kirai bunjan Replay O boliu mas ngam na kilum syaki paham Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Boliu mas ngam na kilum syaki paham Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Jis go jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Baro sawayam kitoy Kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai kem tag Yai beru kilir kirai bunjan Da sur tiang kirai kem tag Yai beru kilir babam Haperem lusin rai telan Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play O boliu mas ngam na kilum syaki paham Kik syaki wagi tway Baju sum ki puri play Jis go jeng la loy Baro sawayam kitoy
Angelina, first of all, you've got like just a few moments as the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, right? So you won the crown last year. What are some of the takeaways, or rather, I want you to tell us how has life changed and how has your perspective changed since you won the crown?
Okay, so from being an athlete to coming to the pageantry world, it has changed my world. I was always good in the field like track and field, and now I'm in a pageant world. It was a really life-changing experience. I got a lot of opportunities. I got to learn from the best people. I got the best mentors, and I even got to represent my state in Miss Teen Diva. So it was a really life-changing journey for me. Yes.
Brilliant. So you have been there, done that. You know the pressure that these girls are going through at the moment. If there's an advice, like a last minute advice to all of them doing this right now, what would that be?
Okay, so I'm sure they all have butterflies in their stomach right now. But I'll only say one thing, that just be yourself on the stage and enjoy the moment. That's it. You enjoy the moment, you win the crown, That's it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to know all the Miss Universe Meghalaya even better. So, ladies and gentlemen, to display beauty, grace and elegance, we now present to you the evening gown round. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome once again on stage the contestants for the Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 with their evening gown round.
I've always liked to play with fire. I've always liked just turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. Play with fire. Fire. Watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
Rite of passage, collide the ruckus, young money wired, no denying. I've always liked to play with fire.
insane inside. The danger gets me high. Can't help myself. Got secrets I can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. Ashes turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. Play with fire. I've always liked to play with fire. Watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
Rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas tank. Ooh, that's right, you're unstoppable, legendary animal. Digital justice, now you're gonna help us hail to the king and queen of the ruckus. Young money wired, no denying. I've always liked to play with fire.
me high. Got secrets I can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. To play with fire. Play with fire. Play with fire. Fire, fire. I've always liked to play with fire. Watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
Rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas tank. Ooh, that's right, shit. Unstoppable, legendary animal. Digital justice, now you're gonna know what's hail to the king and queen of the ruckus. Young money wired, no denying. I've always liked to play with fire.
Got secrets I can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. I've always liked to play with fire. Play with fire. I've always liked to play with fire. I ride the edge. My speed goes in the red. Hot blood. These veins. My pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. Play with fire. Can't tell. I love the smell of gasoline. I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. Watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
Rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas tank. Ooh, that's right, shit. Unstoppable, legendary animal. Digital justice, now you're gonna know.
So, as all the contestants are here, The moments that we wait for are coming close. So without further ado and without any further delay, we shall now move on to the subtitles.
The first subtitle is that of Miss Ramp Walk.
And to do the honor to sash Miss Ramp Walk, I would like to invite on stage one of our choreographers, Sir Rodrigue Karomnoid.
I'll make the announcement right now is Jing Eid.
Dora, Miss Congeniality, goes to Miss Dora.
Thank you, Mr. Roderick. So the contestant who won the subtitle of Miss Best Outfit is Chivalry. Our next subtitle is that of Miss Beautiful Smile, and everybody here has beautiful, beautiful smile, don't they? The judges have made the decision, and the contestant with the most beautiful smile is
Miss Christine. Thank you so much, sir. So the next subtitle is Miss Personality. Miss Personality goes to. The judges have decided Miss Personality goes to Miss Iba Donbok. And moving on to the next subtitle. And I believe everyone here is very talented. So now Miss Talented goes to. And Miss Talented goes to Miss Rimika.
Give a big round of applause for all the contestants. They have really worked hard for this day, and it's finally paying off. Now the last subtitle of the evening for Miss Universe Meghalaya is Miss Perfect 10. And the winner of the subtitle Miss Perfect 10 is Miss Bahun.
I've always liked to play with fire.
Young teens are waiting in the backstage to grace the ramp in their elegant evening gown. So without further ado, we'll begin with the evening gown round of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. A big round of applause for them and kindly continue to support them as they grace the runway.
I wonder, right before I close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, been dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Why I'm so afraid of saying something wrong I never said I was a saint. I wonder, when I cry into my hands, I'm conditioned to feel like it makes me less of a man. And I wonder if someday you'll be by my side and tell me that the world will end up alright. I wonder, right before I close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, been dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Before I close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, and dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. I wonder if I'm being real. Do I speak my truth or do I filter how I feel? I wonder, wouldn't it be nice to live inside a world that isn't black and white? I wonder what it's like to be my friends. Hope that they don't think I'll forget about them. I wonder, right before I close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, been dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Why I'm so afraid of saying something wrong I never said I was a saint. I wonder, when I cry into my hands, I'm conditioned to feel like it makes me less of a man. And I wonder if someday you'll be by close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, then dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you.
Here are your contestants of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024.
A louder round of applause for all of them. All right, so now the time has come for their subtitles.
Our first subtitle is that of Miss Talented. And the winner is Miss Nikita.
Moving on to the next subtitle, Miss Congeniality Teen Meghalaya 2024. And Miss Congeniality goes to Miss Aranza.
Now we have the last subtitle for Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, and the subtitle is that of Miss Popular. And the winner is Miss Palay.
Moving on to the top 10 Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 is contestant number.
Contestant number 1.
How do you stay?
Contestant number 2, may we please have you on the stage.
Caving. Oh, you're my saving grace. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? So do it. You're superhuman, and I'm just a man.
Our next contestant that has made it to the top 10 is contestant number 19. 19. Contestant number 19. May we please have you on stage.
10 is contestant number 11.
I don't understand. You make me wonder, woman, how do you do it? You're superhuman, and I'm just a man. Whoa, na 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 na.
13.
You're superhuman, and I'm just a man. Oh, you're right there to save me at the end of my road.
And the next contestant moving on to the top 10 is contestant number 16. 16. Contestant number 16, may we please have you on stage.
Contestant number 4.
More than what I deserve. Always right there beside me. Could've put yourself first. Give me hope, give me help when I'm going through hell. And woman, how do you do it? So
Now the next contestant moving on to the top 10 is contestant number 14. 14. Contestant number 14.
you make me wonder,
The next contestant.
Oh, you're right there to save me at the end of my rope. When I'm floating in space, how do you stay in place when the whole world is caving? Oh,
So, ladies and gentlemen, here are your top 10 of Miss Universe Meghalaya, and tonight, one of these girls will be crowned. All right, so we'll be moving on to our question answer round. And contestant number 1 has picked the number 1.
My question to you is, what is the essence of being a woman?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful question. A very good evening to each and everyone present here. The essential of being a woman is carrying all the responsibility as a woman, as we know that women can do so much better than what men can do. Of course, we have different jobs, as God Himself has given us 2 genders. So as women, first of all, we have to take care of ourselves and be independent and always stay true to ourselves. Thank you.
Judge number 1.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So my question to you is, how is social media affecting our lives?
Social media sometimes can lead to good and bad. However, it depends on us how to use it. Whether we use it to influence people and get a good. However, bad can lead us through cyberbullying, misinformation, and that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, contestant number 19.
Judge number 1.
Okay, so I really like your gown, so I just want to know who is your fashion icon and why?
It's a secret.
Ooh. Can you tell me, please?
No.
Oh my God. That was the question, but okay, I got my answer. I'm sad. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 17.
Judge number 3.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
How is Meghalaya doing? Meghalaya? Thank you. So my question for you is, you have been picked to participate in a beauty pageant today. But looking back, when did you realize was the first moment that you are beautiful?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. And you look lovely tonight.
Thank you.
My answer is, it all goes back to the day in 2018. I began my pageantry in 2018. That was Miss Blue Life 2018. I didn't win the pageant, but that day, one of the groomer, Miss Wanda Nongbri, she gave me the courage and confidence that just be who you are, and let your light shine through. And that day reminded me, whenever I look back, was the day that I choose to be myself. I believe myself more. And I've been through struggles, and I've been through bullying and depression. I've struggled, but I realize that I am enough, and nobody can ever challenge me in any way. Be it because why? Because I decided to become myself and pursue my dreams no matter whatever people say, and no matter whatever they criticize also, I will keep going forward. So since that day, I never look back, and I love my life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 16.
Contestant, judge number 2.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening,
so
sir.
My question to you would be, if I give you a chance to ask a question to yourself, what question you would ask and why? Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful question. Well, my answer is, if you give me a chance to ask a question about myself, is a leader without a title. Because we can lead even without a title. by following her dreams, treat people very well, show them a way, courage, give them the love, support, and care. Thank you so much.
Judge number 3.
So my question for you is, can you give us a little run-through about your whole journey in Miss Meghalaya?
Well, that's a really wonderful and a beautiful question, I say. Well, all these days that we have been in Miss Meghalaya, our sisterhood, we have celebrated sisterhood, we have celebrated friendship, the love, the care that we showed to each other has always inspired me to always show kindness towards each and every person I met in my life. And it will always inspire me in the futures as well. Thank you so much.
And contestant number 4 has picked judge number
2.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So my question to you is, if we have to appoint you as the textile ambassador for Meghalaya, what you will do to promote the local fabrics? Thank you.
If I will be ambassador of a textile, I will promote Idhara of Khasi. Every time they will wear in the occasion, every time they will go to wedding, they will go to any occasion, they will wear Dhara. Thank you.
She's picked judge number 4.
Good evening, contestant number 13.
Good evening, sir.
You are looking lovely tonight.
Thank you.
And congratulations for winning the subtitle as well.
Thank you, sir.
My question to you is, why do you deserve to win the title of Miss Meghalaya?
Thank you, sir, for the question. I believe that I deserve to be crowned as the Miss Universe Meghalaya, as I have put so much effort in my journey, in my session, and I've been working so hard throughout my entire life to stand here today, and I believe that everyone can do so. So let's unfasten our seatbelts and let our dreams take flight. Thank you so much.
Judge number 2.
Okay, my question to you is, what's your opinion about National Beauty Pageant having swimwear round? Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that lovely question. Well, according to me, to the public eye, it might be demeaning. But to us who are here in this beauty pageants, I believe it is a kind of woman empowerment. It gives us the power of a woman to embrace our own skin and uniqueness and to show the world who we are. Thank you.
Judge number 4.
A very good evening, contestant number 2.
Good evening, sir.
Congratulations for making it to the top 10.
Thank you very much.
My question to you is, what makes you different from the other contestants competing tonight?
Thank you very much for the question. I personally believed that I am a very authentic woman, as I believe that all the beautiful women contesting today, they are beautiful, they are authentic in their own way, and so do I. I believe that I am beautiful and I am authentic in my own way. That it describes in the way that I work, in the way that I walk, in the way that I talk. So thank you very much.
You're superhuman, and I'm just a man. You're the best at my worst, more than what I deserve. Always right there beside me.
The first contestant to make it to top 11 of Miss Teen Meghalaya is
contestant number 1.
My neck is open wide, begging for a fist around it. Already choking.
The next contestant who has made it to the top 11 is contestant is Contestant number 13, 1-3. Contestant number 13, may we have you on stage.
Contestant number 5.
Break these walls down, you're gonna get bruised. Now my neck is
Contestant number 9.
11 is contestant number 14, 1-4. The next contestant making it to the top 11 is contestant number 17, 1-7.
I'm headed straight for the castle.
So the next contestant that has made it to the top 11 is contestant number 8. The next contestant making it to the top 11 is contestant number 15, 1-5.
I'm headed straight for the castle. They wanna make me their queen. And there's an old man.
So congratulations for making it to the top 10. So right away, we shall move on with the question and answers.
Number 3.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
A bit nervous.
That's quite normal. So my question to you is, at the end of your life, what do you want to feel proudest or happiest about?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful question. At the end of my life, the one thing that I would be very proud of and I would be the happiest is by making my parents proud. They have my mom have carried me for 9 months. She has taken care of me. She has nurtured me for the way that I am now. And my dad have provided me so much that I am here standing in front of you today. And the happiest moment of my life would be if I had made them proud. Thank you.
Contestant number 18 has picked
Judge number 3.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
So my question for you is, if you are given a time machine to travel back to the past or the future, where would you go and why?
If I were to get a time machine, I would love to travel the past so as I can fix myself for the things that I did, the bad things, or even the good to make it better. And yeah, thank you so much.
Number 4.
Hello, contestant number 5.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. My question to you is, what is your biggest fear and why?
Thank you, sir, for the question. My biggest fear is standing in a loud crowd. And why is because I've never seen people this much, obviously, in my life. This is my first time seeing this much crowd. And I'm so happy for you all being here today as well. And I'm so proud also of myself that I can stand here and talk like this and give you this. And thank you. And because of this fear, I think it will teach me to be more confident and to face the crowd. Thank you.
Yeah, Miss Meghalaya, make some noise. You ready to rock with me? Woo! Dark skin or light skin, yeah. It don't matter long as you in your back, baby. Is it wrong for me to ask for your hand, baby? I see you tatted like Kalani. I look good in Armani. That suit you in Hibachi got me climbing through the backseat. You went in with your body. I'm claiming lottie-dottie. Box you in like Roddy. Got you strong like Ronda Rousey. Burn it down, I'm getting, hey! I want you like a Friday evening. I need a J to blow some steam, yeah. Come on, I need to see you guys move a little bit. I see you getting old. I see you getting oh so needy. Forget them other boys, they cheesy. You know that I'm the man. Just give me a drum roll and watch me do my dance. Come on, hey. It's crazy, your connection shaded. I'm claiming that you are my lady. Watch out, I make them dance so crazy. I know, now I know. Now I know that I found hope. Angel eyes, she dripped in gold. I gotta have her back at home. I show her off, she show me more. Yeah, yeah. Come on, let me see you clap your hands, come on. Woo! Come on, let's go. There's a party up in here. Complicated. Feel this way, but you ready? Then you crack a window, please. Laps up for dinner like it's TLC. Lock in your love and baby, throw the key. Maybe I won't complain if it's just you and me. I know, you rockin', you roll, you're grooving that soul, yeah. Watch me flow like nevertheless. You serving the best, God bless you, easing the stress, giving me tests, and I pass them like a straight A student impressed. Get your vibe, but maybe later I could copy you a dress. Ooh, crazy, crazy, hey, boogie the hoodie, slip all of the rookies, slide with all my tootsies. We getting funky on some poppin' shit, we getting funky on some poppin' shit, yeah. It's crazy, our connection shaded. I'm claiming that you are my lady. Watch out, I make them dance so crazy. I know, now I know, ay, now I know that I'll find hope. Angel eyes, she dripping gold. I gotta have her back at home. I show her off. Miss Meghalaya, make some noise, go! Yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. Hey, everybody looking beautiful tonight. Everybody's looking great, amazing. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Da 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 na na na. Now this is the part where I want to see you clap your hands. Come on, go, 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 go. Yeah, woo. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's get some energy in here. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. She rockin' with the, she rockin' with the, she rockin' with the.
All right, so we'll begin with Miss Universe Meghalaya top 5 contestants. The first contestant making it to, in no particular order, making it to top 5 is contestant number 16.
Is contestant number 13.
Violins playing and the angels crying when the stars are.
Contestant number 13. Our next contestant making it to the top 5 is contestant number 17. 17.
The next contestant making it to top 5 is contestant number 1. To top 5 is contestant number 18. Contestant number 18, 1-8.
So once again, a very big congratulations to our top 5 finalists. So immediately, without any further ado, the top 5 will now have a question and answer round again. But this time, all the top 5 contestants will be getting a common question.
Okay, the question that I've received is, if you were to promote tourism in Meghalaya to the world, what would you do and how? I repeat, if you were to promote the tourism in Meghalaya to the world, what would you do and how?
Your time?
And your time starts now.
All right, now your time is up. Kindly stop writing. Your time is up. Just stop, okay?
I believe in promoting my culture through leading an example and be an exemplar by living through it every day, by speaking my mother tongue, talk to people in local languages, and take them to show the wonders of Meghalaya and take them to all different places of it. Thank you.
My answer is, I would promote by showcasing its natural beauty through social media, collaboration, and infrastructure development, while encouraging local communities to protect it. Thank you.
I will use this platform to educate young people about green sustainable tourism, because we can all do something to reduce our environmental impact while traveling to make a clean and a green earth. As Mahatma Gandhi said, traveling is the language of peace. Thank you so much.
My answer to the question would be, I would promote it by telling the stories behind the places in Meghalaya in order to make it more interesting for the tourists to visit Meghalaya. Thank you.
My answer to that question is, I would collaborate with the government and the social and the travel influence and take part in organizing events which also ensure that it doesn't harm the environment. Thank you so much.
Tired of all these cameras flashing, sick of being poised.
First contestant who has made it to the top 5 Miss Teen Meghalaya is contestant number 7.
Contestant number 14.
Make me wonder, woman, how do you do it?
Making it to top 5 is contestant number 8.
You're the best at my worst, more than what I deserve. Always right there beside me. Could've put yourself
Contestant number 8, may we please have you on stage. Contestant who has made it to the top 5 is contestant number 17. 17.
You make me wonder, woman.
And finally, the last contestant making to the top 5 is contestant number 13. 13.
Don't understand. You're superhuman.
Another round of applause for them. Ladies, if you can come forward a little bit, please move forward.
There to save me at the end of my rope. When I'm floating in space, how do you stay in place?
So anyway, here are the results. And before we have the results, we would like to have all the contestants of the Miss Teen Meghalaya to kindly come up on stage.
Sick of all this noise, tired of all these cameras. It's like you got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe. Made a glass the way you see through me. Oh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I'd love to save me from your point of view. I'm getting used to
So ladies and gentlemen, for one last time, here are all the contestants of Miss Teen category, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. And here are your top 5 finalists. Second runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 17. Teen Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 17.
Seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch myself from the outside. Permeate my ego and my pride. I wanna love me the way that you love me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me.
Moving on to the first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is...
Contestant number 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have your first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. Contestant number 8. To crown, I would like to call up on stage the reigning first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya, Miss Gracie Nandi. And to sash, I would like to invite on stage once again, Miss Divija Gambhir.
Trust me.
We have Miss Gracie Nandi, first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023.
I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. I'ma love you even though I'm scared. Learning to be grateful for myself. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me.
Now the moment we all wait for, the crowning of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. To do the honor, I would like to invite up on stage the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Miss Angelina Jackson. Ladies and gentlemen, I think she deserves a louder round of applause. Miss Angelina Jackson. And so, the winner, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, goes to contestant number... You're right, contestant number 13. Ladies and gentlemen, our new Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024 contestant number 13. A very big congratulations.
I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me. Ooh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good at not leaving. I'm myself, I'm being patient, but now I'm really falling slowly falling.
Congratulations, here we have Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024.
Waiting for is finally here, and without further ado, I'd like to invite all the contestants of Miss Universe Meghalaya on the stage.
And all I care about is you. It's stuck on me
So once again, a very big congratulations to the top 5 you've made it this far. Are we all ready? All right. So we would now like to call up on stage the reigning second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, up on stage. Let us all welcome Miss Sunny Jai Jai up again, once again on stage.
But baby, we both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again.
And the second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya is contestant number 16.
Top winner and to the rest of the winners. Moving on, I would now like to call the reigning first runner-up Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Lasmiker.
This is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. It will come a day when we will find a way.
So winner for the first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 13. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here is your first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024.
Must I mention, the first and second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 will represent the state in Miss Northeast.
I humbly request Sanbor Shulai to kindly do the honor of giving away the check to our first runner-up winner. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So to do the honor and to crown, I would like to once again call up on stage the reigning Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Stella Rika Kongsni. Ladies and gentlemen, louder cheers for Miss Stella.
Weeks of hard work, for some, years of hard work. And the moment is here to announce the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is contestant number 18.
Meghalaya Universe 2024, none other than Miss Bahun.
Represent the state in Miss Universe India. You have seen Indian icons like Lara Datta, Susmita Sen, Harnath Sandhu, and now you'll see our own Bahun from Meghalaya representing the state in the country, and who knows, she might represent the country in the national platform, international platform as well.
And to give away the check, I humbly request Shri Paul Lingdo to kindly do the honor. Congratulations, and once again, we will have Sir Abraham Lee kindly give away the gift hamper to the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024.
Winners of Miss Teen Meghalaya on the stage.
Once again, a very big congratulations to all the contestants of Miss
Lakme India and most importantly, our hospitality partner. Can we please have you girls on the stage?
Well, I have manifested it in my mind.
Right.
I have been wanting this. I have been preparing for this since like a year.
Right.
Last time I came for the audition, but I didn't get selected. And then I came back, and here I am today. Thank you so much.
Is there a strategy that has worked for you today that has pushed you forward? Is there a strategy?
Yes, I believe like with one quotation, which is believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable.
Well, let me ask you one question. What will you do with the prize money?
Well, I come from a simple middle class background, so I'll save it for my national pageants as well.
Nice. So there's a lot of sweat and hard work that you've put into all of this. If there's one person or maybe people behind this big success, what will that person be?
It will definitely be my friends and families, and I would like to thank them personally. They are watching. If they are watching right now, like, thank you so much, everyone who have been putting all your efforts on me. Thank you so much. I did it today.
Right. And last question before I let you go. If there's an advice for other girls watching this right now, aspiring to be and be where you are right now, what would that advice be?
To never give up. Never give up on your dreams and make them into reality, because the power lies within you and you only need to find it.
First of all, congratulations on the big win. Did you expect to win in the first place?
Well, it's my third time participating in Miss Meghalaya. Since 2022, I have been like wanting this title so badly, and I have put all my effort, my hard work, my dedication, and that courage to always pursue my dreams.
The crowning of Miss Meghalaya and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024 might be behind us, but the journey ahead is still not yet over. Once again, we congratulate all the winners and we wish them the best of luck for their future endeavor. It's been a glamorous evening here at the Lariti multi-purpose hall here at Maudiangdiang. I'm Aaron Lingdo. Until we meet next time, goodbye.